Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna hop on down the precipice really quick so I'm not on the highway here. Man, it's nice out. I am ready for an adventure today. Oh, God. What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna go on a grand adventure. I'm here at Perfection Point. I've just come down the roadside precipice. My goal today is going on the hills south of the road here, and I'm going to go on a geode hunting palooza. As you can see, this first hill right here, I have walked on the shaded side. There aren't any geodes, but on the south facing side, they're everywhere. So my theory, sunlight has something to do with the erosion, maybe something with the sunlight thawing the frozen ground and opening more when it gets warm. I don't know. I'm gonna be extra special today. I've got some cut resistant gloves and a bottle of water. So I'm gonna get to it. I might go up Stairway to Heaven here, which is a little erosion cut in this hill that goes straight up to where I want to go. It probably will be a little more direct. So I'm gonna start walking. I was here at this valley yesterday. I did the same thing I'm gonna do today. Found some geodes. All of them were freaking awesome. One of them had the craziest quartz formations I've ever seen. There were snowballs, stars, double terminated points everywhere, and there were points coming off of the snowballs. I'll probably include, I don't know if I'm going to include a short little clip here at the end of the video, maybe. Crazy. So that got me all excited, and with it being probably 60 degrees or more today, I was like, man, I'm going to go all out. I'm just going to have a heyday. So here I go. Here's Stairway to Heaven. Right straight ahead. It's freaking just perfect. So I'm gonna get going. I'll probably start another video once I get to the top. I'll see you guys on the other side. Well, after realizing I didn't even grab my hammer and my chisel, I had to walk all the way back. But that's a small little silver lining. I found a way down into this valley that is by far 10 million times easier than down there. So I'm gonna be doing this from now on. I could just walk right on there. I think after geode hunting as much as I have, you'd be in better shape. Guess not. I'm just taking a breath here after the Stairway to Heaven, waiting for my heart to stop palpitating every 20 beats. I could also be getting sick too, with as much as I've been outside with how cold it is. I've taken a Zyrtec. Anyways, you can start to see what I'm talking about at this spot. There's just massive ones. There's one there. There's a cracked open one there. There's a hollow one there. I brought these gloves. I wanted to wear them to be safe and whatnot, but it's so warm now, I don't know if I want to. So literally after turning off my camera and walking up this hill just a tad bit, I crack open a geode with some absolutely killer barite in it. Look at it. It's huge. It broke off, unfortunately, so I'm probably not going to keep it, but wow. Some of the pieces kind of fell in the leaves right here, and such a bummer. And I've never been one that's been really gung-ho about gluing them back together because I feel like it's not authentic anymore, but wow, look at that barite. Big barite. Frickety frick frack. Guess I gotta be careful. Which I am, but sometimes you can't really do anything about how it cracks. And quartzy quartz, quartz, quartzy quartz. Maybe that's some barite right there. More barite. Wow, it's a good sign. Guess I'll just kind of keep my eyes open in this spot. I don't know if it's that simple to deduce finding barite, but a nice sized one. I'll try digging this one up. Never mind, that ain't worth it. That one's 80% buried. I remember cracking this one open too. Had a giant calcite spire like that, and then giant barite like that. But it's so brittle. So freaking brittle. All right, guys, I've walked down a little bit. Walked up, didn't really see anything too numerous. So I'm gonna kind of just stick right here and kind of, this area right here is the primo spot. There's one right here. I'm gonna start right here. Got all the mold everywhere. You. Not hollow. I lied. There's a lot of them right here. I remember finding some, I think, decent barite here. I may have left it down here. I might be able to find it. It was like a really cool, one of them was a real thin-walled cathedral-looking geode. Are you hollow? Maybe a little. Already partially cracked, probably from frost. 4, 5, 6, 7. Burp. Let's see what we got in here. It's like calcite. Maybe some really, really crispy barite. Calcite, calcite, calcite. It's all calcite. It's okay. I'm gonna look through all of these monsters right here and see if we get any hollow ones. So if I can find one here that's hollow, that'd be great. Probably not. I think someone else has been trying. I mean, look at the size of these things. Maybe a little. It's not wise to try and pick these up one-handed all the time, all day, because you will get sore wrists. Pause. Nope. 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 Let's try these up here. Try to not do what I'm doing. Nope. Nope. Yeah. Are you hollow? Yes, you're very hollow. Hollow! Five wax. And it's just quartz. That's okay. Are you hollow? No. Excuse you. I know people try to tell you to branch out, but that's ridiculous. Grungy looking. All right, now that I'm peeking the next hill over, I'm gonna start peeking on the ground. Starting to get into the sunlit side of the hill here, and once we start getting a little bit more of a downward slope, should start to see some geodes being eroded out of the hillside. Oh man, that sun is really getting warm. You hollow? Yes, you are very hollow. This is gonna be fun editing later. That just exploded. Nice and hollow. Nope. That's hollow. Ah, more barite. Frick frack. A little bit of barite there. A little bit of barite there. A couple of tabs. Put that on my tab, bartender. Might be a little hollow, not hollow enough. Very hollow. Just cracked open a real hollow one back there. It had really small barite in it, but it was all really grungy, more than likely. Really hollow, really good sign. I'm at the location where I'm pretty sure I found the cathedral geode, so it should be in here somewhere, if I'm not mistaken, because I don't think it's on the other side. So I see a big one there, great. I see a big one up here, and it looks already cracked open, and it looks uber hollow. This might be interesting. Let's see what your story is. Oh my. Get the gloves on for this. This looks big and dirty. Pause. Wow, there's a monster up there. Good gosh. Wow. Look at the size of this geode. Holy crap, that might be a keeper. Wow. That might be a keeper. That just might be a keeper. That is nuts. I'm gonna get a video of that. That is something that I would be willing to carry through the forest just to clean. Go. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Go. 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 Touchdown. I'm gonna keep searching this hill, guys. My big boy is over there somewhere. I'll probably end up taking that one. I am willing to lug that through the forest. I'm gonna keep searching this hillside. My cathedral geode should be maybe down here somewhere. I don't think it's very far. Oh, I gotta be careful. This one here. Yeah, I was near the geode. Oh, let's try it out. It's probably full of dolomite and calcite. Yeah, some crazy good calcite. Nailhead calcite. Wow, that's so crispy. I can tell you're in the Dolestone area when you got the calcite like that. It's cray cray.